of Johnny's, the 22nd of March, which we talked about yesterday, about he tried to burn a painting. It was accusing me of having affairs with a musician, my ex-partner, and he was on these, like, a drug binge where I saw him no eating.
Just inside Amber's evil master plan to get Johnny effed up and then record him. Remember how during the trial, Amber always presented circumstantial evidence in the form of pictures showing Depp passed out or sleeping, alleging that he had taken drugs or alcohol just before this? These instances and pictures weren't just random occurrences. They were part of Amber's grand scheme to entrap Depp by intoxifying him and then recording him to use as evidence against him in court. And he wasn't the only person she did this to. What was Amber's endgame with these pictures? And who else did Amber do this to? Keep on watching to find out. The latest round of intrigue in the Amber-Johnny saga is due to previously sealed documents hitting social media. These are documents that Judge Penny Askerid did not allow to be admitted to the court, have now finally been unsealed, and they have revealed some truly shocking details, one of which included Amber's evil plan to get Johnny caught in an intoxicated state to use against him. A part of these legal documents read, the rumor has always been that she has some on him, and that's why he's indebted to her. A regular at these parties would tell me on the phone. It's not surprising to anyone who knows her. Amber was always filming him. She had a method. She had it down. She would get Elon really effed up so incriminating events could transpire and then film it all. This news is absolutely shocking. Not only did Amber employ this sick tactic with Johnny, but continued to do so even with Elon. No wonder she made Elon give him all sorts of expensive gifts and made him pay for her lifestyle and charities that she had herself pledged. There was nothing he could do or say since she had incriminating evidence recorded against him. No wonder it took Johnny so much time and courage to finally stand up to her. Social media had a massive outcry when this news broke. Many took to Twitter to rage at Amber at her dirty tricks. One such user tweeted, Amber Heard was always filming Elon Musk. She had a method. She would get Elon really effed up so incriminating events could transpire and then film it all. Such a coincidence that Amber Heard was filming Johnny Depp too. Remember the pics with the ice cream? This particular user is referring to an image of Johnny Depp passed out with ice cream dribbling down his legs, has been shown to the court during his defamation trial with Amber Heard. In the picture, Depp is sitting cross-legged on a leather sofa, propped up by a mismatch of pillows. Wearing a shirt and braces, the actor is said to be passed out with his mouth wide open. Depp is holding an upturned tub of ice cream, which is dripped all over his leg. The melted ice cream is also dripped over the sofa and onto the floor in a sticky pool. This is how Amber's team twisted this to fit their own narrative.
Had gotten where he wouldn't even feel ice cream or a lit cigarette on him, and it scared me.
So you took a picture of it.
Amber would go on to use the same drug argument about all the pictures she took of just a tired Johnny sleeping peacefully at random places all over the house. This was the reality behind these photos.
Your lap, correct?
It is indeed. Ms. Heard asked me to hold the ice cream as she noticed that I was on the nod. That means falling asleep from the 17-hour day that I'd worked and also the opiates that I'd ingested. And if you'll notice, my right hand is in my pocket. So I wasn't participating in the festival of ice cream.
Okay.
I was holding her ice cream.
Johnny gracefully puts an end to Amber's master plan with a few snarky statements, proving how Amber planted drugs and objects on him while he slept, so she could take pictures and exaggerate her claims of his substance abuse. But Johnny has always been one step ahead. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.